Hello! My most special day was when I got my first pet, a cute hamster. It happened last year on my birthday.
I remember feeling very surprised and excited because I always wanted a pet. My dad took me to the pet shop.
Look, David, it's a Robodrothy dwarf hamster. Isn't it adorable? It's so small.
First, my dad bought a cage for Fluffy.
Then we went home and I played with Fluffy for a long time.
I felt very happy that day because Fluffy was so small and cute.
It was a big joy, and also the start of my journey taking care of a pet.
That day was truly memorable because it was a dream come true.